Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Coding Insights by Kiran. So we'll start with one more video in the Python series for 2026. So initially we discussed about the Python fundamentals and all the details, right? So in this video we'll discuss about the input and output functions in Python. So input function is used to enable the users to interact with the terminal. Okay. So by default it will be written only the string. And print function, anyhow we discussed about the print function, right? Print function displays the text, variables and expression on the console. See, so these are the examples. Okay, so the input, how we can use this. So this is how the input function. Okay, I created this number and string. No, instead of that we create uh, input and output dot python 5. I created this one. Okay, let's say less s or s equal to, see, I example I give na. Let's give s comma, gives the same example, x comma y equal to input function. See, this is the function, input function. So it's giving, asking the two numbers. Okay, enter the two numbers, split means it will split the two numbers and it will show. Okay, print the sum of two numbers, or we can print normally. Okay, let me print, instead of sum of numbers, the two numbers are, let me remove this sum. The two numbers are, okay. Now let me run this Python input and output by Python. See, enter the two numbers. Let me give 20 space 30. So it is splitting the two numbers are 20 and 30. If you do one more thing also, you can add. Let me try to add the two numbers. So this time I am adding the two numbers. Okay, the same way you can give Python input 30 40. See, the two numbers is 30 40 and it was the sum of the two numbers is 70. So this is how the input will work. Output, so if you see here, output is nothing but a print function. Okay, so the print function allows us to display the text, variables and expressions. If you see here, now we are displaying the text also. Initially in the previous video we printed, like, right, print hello world or welcome to Python program. That is the standard text. And the expressions, see, 10 plus 20, so the output is 30. Here the 30 plus 40, the output is 70. So these are the expressions. So the print function ex- can evaluate the strings, numbers and expressions as well. Yeah, 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 that's it from this video. And please subscribe my channel and share this to your friends. And in the next video we'll discuss about the numbers and the strings. Thanks everyone.